On a sunny day, a path leads towards a large brick building. Text appears, Orbach Library. The camera moves across a lawn towards the multi-story brick and glass library building. The camera approaches the main entrance with automatic sliding glass doors. Inside, camera passes security gates and reception desk as staff help students. The view opens into a large, multi-level atrium with a curved balcony and large windows. The camera pans across the different levels of the atrium, revealing more study areas and a large, colorful mural. On the main floor, there are curved couches and computer stations for student use. The camera moves through a quiet study area with tables, chairs, and bookshelves. The tour continues past an exit and towards a sign for the Creat'R Lab, then enters a doorway. Inside the Creat'R Lab, a room with colorful walls, tables are lined with numerous 3D printers and other creative equipment. Students work at various stations, including one with sewing machines and another with crafting tools on a pegboard. The camera moves back into the main library, showing a quiet study area with carrels, filing cabinets, and a person in a wheelchair working at a desk. Students work quietly at desks and on couches along a wall of large windows. The camera moves down an aisle between tall bookshelves filled with spiral-bound volumes. A student stands in the aisle, reading a book she has pulled from a shelf. A blue screen appears with the UC Riverside logo and the text, "Bold Hearts, Brilliant Minds." Text on screen, ucr.edu with social media icons and subscribe.